uyafika wena. Thabo, Thabo, are you still sleeping at this time of the day? Wake up. Yeah, when Thabo, I'm talking to you. How many times must I tell you that you have to open your window every morning? It's already 9 o'clock.
Ma, I'm still meditating for success.
Meditating, Thabo. In my house,
Yeah.
under my roof, Thabo. If you want to meditate, my son, go to China. Now wake up. Oh, Mom, Yazi, you know, I'm losing my dreams. I was almost there, Mom. You are the one who's always telling me I have to follow my dreams. It's what I'm doing. Lose your dreams, you always do. You're always dreaming rubbish, Thabo. Get yourself ready. Remember, you have an interview today. Today?
I thought it's next week.
Next week? Thabo, one Pambanese. Do you even know the day today?
Today it's Monday, Mom.
Eh? It's Friday, Thabo. Friday. Now get up. Get up.
Mom. They will text me. It's an online interview.
Text you? You're gonna text your work. Hi, Thabo. Follow me. I want to teach you. Come. Back!
A few moments later.
Okay, Thabo. Let's practice. I will pretend as if I'm your boss. Ne? Okay. Good morning, Mr. Thabo. So tell us, why you wanna join our company? Because I want money. Money amanyala wena. Umasipa wena. Yay. Yay. Let us continue. Question number 2. You said you want money. That is your reason. So, Mr. Thabo, are you applying for a job or a loan?
But Mom, it's true. We all work for man.
Okay. So, we are applying for a grant. This is not SAS. Tell me, Mr. Thabo, what is your strength?
My strength. I can multitask everything. I can sleep and dream at the same time. You got me, Ma.
Masipa hambi wena saka. Masipa hambi. Saka. Yay. Let us continue. You are not done yet, my boy.
Please, Mom. Calm down. This is just a practice.
Okay, listen. Come. So tell me, Mr. Thabo, what is your weaknesses?
Is one.
I can't wake up early in the morning, washing dishes and clean up this house. And I also hate interviews like this one. Oh God, please, if you want to take me now, because I failed as a parent. Okay, Mom. Maybe I don't want this job. Maybe I can be my own boss. Your own boss of what, Thabo?
Oh, Mom, I can try the online business. I can make a mind while I'm quiet.
Hey, you have been failing to make money while you are sleeping for 25 years. I'm not your fool, man.
Please, guys, do not forget to like and subscribe before my mom's get me. Mom, please, Mom.
I was watching a YouTube video on how to make a bag in 2 minutes.
Mom, that was what for?
That's for being on days when.
Mom, my arm is already tired now.
I'm gonna be fast. This is 1 minute. We denied 2 minutes. This is 1.